we all know that India and EU has agreed to sign free trade agreement, and we all hope that sooner it will be a reality. So that's open up opportunity for all the states of India to bring investment or export goods, skills, services, vice versa. Now, normally, a state like Assam, who used to be periphery for long, will not discuss about those agreements, and we would have been completely neutral. But now Assam has transformed itself, so we want to take advantage in every field wherever we can take advantage as a states of our great nation. So we look at the declaration of between the India and European Union, and we want to see where the potential lies. So Blue Valley cluster is the basically outcome of that friendship, that partnership. In this initiative, the heart of this initiative will be the farmers, because they will produce their products. The European companies, on the basis of our competitiveness, they will take back process or semi-processed material back to their country, and will try to create a market for Assam's products there through this Blue Valley cluster. But this is the beginning. I think with European Union, if we can establish a proper partnership, we can do lot of things in days to come. And I am particularly very happy that the Secretary General of Federation of European Business in India, Srimati Sonia Parasar, is also here. We discuss about the future potential, how we can work in future. And I see lots of hope, lots of future in this partnership.
Thank you, sir. Representative from the Assam Tribune.
My question is for the Chief Minister. So how does infrastructure development support Assam's investment push?
You see, last 10 years, last decades, we have seen various kind of infrastructure development, right from human capital to road, digital infrastructure, communication. Everywhere you have seen lot of support from Government of India, and you have seen the kind of transformation. Now, yesterday only, European Union delegation visited Tata Semiconductor facility. They have arrived Guwahati through the new airports. So these things give a strong signal that now Assam infrastructure is of a standard where anyone can come and do business in our state. I think we are now offer good infrastructure, good facilities, and also in days to come we can create a good market also for us. So I think these are the things we know that this is a long way to go. The European Union visits to our state is very, very important, is one of very important milestone. As you know, on first, second and third, there is a possibility of Japan Prime Minister's visit to Guwahati, along with our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Things are getting better for Assam every day. But now, it's all depends on us, how we take advantage on the growing interest on Assam. Now we have to do lot of things. We have to bring back quality products in the market. We have to offer supports Our skill has to be developed in a manner that we can offer international competition. So lot of things we have to do at our end, but I am sure that this visit will be considered as a very important visit, and we are going to take lots of follow-up actions post this important visit.
Thank you, sir. India Today Group.
A very good evening, everyone. I'm Aparmita from India Today. First of all, congratulations on the momentum that Assam has built in attracting high-value investments, including Blue Valley Cluster. So this brings us to the question of investors. How does Assam's economic growth support investor confidence?
You must recall the fact that Reserve Bank of India has recognized Assam as the fastest growing state in our country. So India is growing at 29%, Assam is growing at 45%. So that's the speed, that's the momentum we have. So I think our economic growth trajectory will support the investor which will come to Assam to invest, and I see a bigger momentum in next 5 years. What we have achieved in last 5 years, next 5 years the momentum will be much faster. Assam and Northeast will be a natural destination for the investor. That's what I believe before 2030. Assam will be a sought after destination.
Thank you, sir.
So I'd invite Republic TV.
Very good afternoon, Excellencies on the stage. Sir, we have witnessed how Advantage Assam 2.0 was a massive success when it comes to investment scenario in the state of Assam. Coming to today's context, how does Advantage Assam 2.0 strengthens today's message, sir? Chief Minister, please. Message.
I think all this started in the Advantage Assam 0.2. Honorable Ambassador Excellency was there in the summit. Post that summit, we meet in his residence, and lot of momentum we build post Advantage Assam 0.2. And as you know, not only Blue Valley Cluster, lots of investment commitment has already translated into reality. I think Advantage Assam 0.2, the message of Prime Minister to the investor to invest in Assam send a very strong signal, and now we can see all these outcomes. So I am very happy about the outcome of Advantage Assam 0.2, and we hope that we will be able to translate each and every commitment to reality in next 1 or 2 years.
Thank you, sir. We'll take the last question from News Live, Northeast Live.
Good afternoon. Myself, Arindam Das. I am the Chief of Bureau of Northeast Live. The European Union has described this visit as moving from dialogue to implementation. So, will the local entrepreneurs and the MSMEs benefit from this engagement to the Chief Minister?
This Blue Valley Cluster project is all about SHG, individual entrepreneurs, and our farmer, our organization like FPOs. So these projects will actually going to benefit the farmers, and the farmers are at the heart of these projects, because it is their products which should be processed and which will be exported back. So I think unlike many other investment, this investment is unique from the point of view that this investment or this initiative is going to solely benefit our farmers, our entrepreneurs, and self-help groups and other organizations like FPO. So it is all about our products, our agricultural products. It is all about our flora and fauna. It is entirely our story, which we want to take to the international market. I think unlike many other investment, this initiative will directly benefit the farmers at the grassroots. Thank you.